Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable washing machines on Amazon. While the capacity leaves a bit to be desired, these incredible machines are really the most convenient option for someone who is lacking the space or dedicated laundry facilities. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Super Deal Portable Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Super Deal Portable Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is our best value pick. Its simple yet convenient design makes it easy to use, easy to afford, and easy to maintain. This portable washing machine features a powerful 1,300 RPM motor that allows it to perform just as good as higher-end models, but with a smaller price tag. The translucent tub windows make it easier to see if your clothes are clean. Not only does this machine offer the best value in our opinion, it is also the simplest to use. Simply load your clothes, fill with water, and set the timer. One of this machine's features that is really great is that it offers the ability to use both tubs at the same time. Equipped with separate wash and spin tubs, this machine offers versatility and convenience. The wash cycle effectively cleans your clothes, while the spin cycle removes excess water, reducing drying time. With 2 control knobs, you can easily adjust a wash timer and choose the desired cycle for your laundry. Number 2. Cupit Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine. If you are looking for a large capacity portable washing machine, the Cupit Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine may be for you. This machine has a 26-pound capacity, 18 pounds in the washer tub and 8 in the spin tub, with the time-saving ability to run both tubs at the same time. This washer is perfect for doing light to medium loads of laundry. It also features a drain pump, making setup easy and convenient. The wash timer can be set for 15 minutes, while the spin cycle can be set to 5 minutes. This machine really is perfect for the minimalist family, that long camping trip, or even for the single apartment dweller that only wants to do a load or 2 per week. Number 3. Black & Decker Portable Washer. If you're in the market for a sleek, stylish, high-end portable washing machine, look no further than the Black + Decker BPWM09W Portable Washer. Its 0.9 cubic foot wash tub can clean up to 6.6 pounds of clothing in as little as 19 minutes. This convenient top-loading washer has an easy-to-read LED digital display, so you can quickly assess how far along you are in your washing process, and a clear top window that lets you easily see the state of clothing in the washer. It also features 5 cycle programs and 3 water settings, allowing you to customize your washing experience to whatever best suits your needs. This machine also comes equipped with automatic unbalance detection that will help to correct an imbalance load in order to limit damage to the washing machine. Number 4. Jontex Portable Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. Our best overall pick is the Jontex Portable Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. This is a powerful, dual-purpose machine that has a decent washing and spin drying capacity at an affordable price. It's not a fully automatic machine with a lot of bells and whistles, but it has all of the right features with minimal electronic parts. This ensures that this machine will offer a longer service life with less maintenance at a better price. The washing tub capacity is 8 pounds, and the spin dryer has a 4.5 pound capacity. The washing cycle is controlled by a 15-minute timer, while the spin cycle runs up to 5 minutes. The filter net makes it easy to clean between loads, and the spin cycle cover plate keeps clothes inside the machine at high speeds. Number 5. COSTWAY Washing Machine. The COSTWAY washing machine is a good portable washer with a lot to offer. It has a very decent load capacity and design that allows both cycles to be run at the same time. The separate cycle timers save time and energy, and the lightweight and small size make it easy to use or store in a small bathroom or closet, but it's stylish enough to leave out if you have the space. Forget washing clothes by hand or paying someone else to wash them for you, and pick up this portable washing machine. It will make living in a small space feel like you have all the space you need. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.